guys, welcome to my video. I am playing Phantom Forces. Please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications for this video. So as you can see, I'm already really good at this game. I love my hunting knife. Wait. Oh no! Scar. Great. Oh, Og. Nice. Og. Going up here. Oh shit. Okay, sorry. I didn't mean to say that word. Okay, sky. Cool. Seriously, M4A1 is so lame. I don't like. Sorry, not lame. It is actually kind of lame. Sorry, but I don't like M4A1. It's not nice. Oh my god! Shoot. Blue, big blue bonder. Oh, he died. Okay. Oh, this guy. Nice place. Oh. Okay, let me choose my gun. I'm gonna weapon load out. Okay, AUG-A1. Oh yeah, I forgot I got AUG-A1. I'm gonna use this guy. Oh no, really? Okay, SLA. Wow, I have the SLA. Oh shoot, C7. Do I have that gun? No. We don't have that gun. And I spawned in the wrong position. This is a bad position to be. Oh my god. I'm going up. I'm going up. Ah, I'm gonna get my Remington. I wanna snipe these people. Okay, now let's snipe them. Oh no, this is a bad spot. There'd be a lot of people. Should snipe from somewhere over there. Oh no! Oof. Okay, yeah, I wanted to die anyways. Thank you, bro. Okay, wait. Oh, give me a good place. No, that's why I'm gonna die. Okay, great. Nice place. Where do I snipe from? Ah, why? Wow, that is such a good gun. I'm gonna change my gun. Wait, support. I think I should get no. Where? Oh yeah. Where is that? Oh yeah, SKS. SKS. I'm using SKS. Okay. Oh wow, this is nice. Oh my. Wow, that's a good gun. Why? This gun is bad. I don't even have the scope. Oh no. I fell down. What? This is great. That's a good gun too. AK-12. Wait, for my Scar L. Okay, I'm gonna use my Scar. FDFGD. Okay. Okay, no. Oh, so close. Pacific Rim M4A1. Okay, now Bloomer. No. None of these people spawned. Oh, only this guy. I like a more type of snipe. I haven't played since. Okay, no, he died. Genius hood. Delta. I'm gonna use Delta. Barrel. No. Delta. Okay, now. Ooh. Oh, Remington. Oh, Scat Guy. Top Ninja Cookie. New Cities. Clear Small. Elf Cube and Hey, where is this? Why did I spawn here? Oh, nice. We're going there. Okay, I got a better scope, yes. Okay. Oh, where is that? When did I get that? Half ring. H&K site? I don't even remember getting that. Wait, where did I get that? What is that thing? Where is that weird 3x site? Oh, it's right here. 147 only? Okay, nice. This is okay. Whoa, that's cool. I like this. Oh my god, where is this, bro? I'm gonna die soon, so. Why is Remington so good? Okay, oh, Beowulf. Okay, now I I really need to get more kills. Okay, wow. What is that bro doing? It's bombarding up the stairs. Okay, great. Ugh. He's using folding. What was he using? Milk. I like this. It's nice. But ammo. Oh, I really want these. I want that 223 learning. I want blue. Unbarrel. Barrel. Muzzle brake. What's this? Okay, I'm using muzzle brake. Okay, kills 225. I only have how many kills? Oh, 215. So I just need 10 more kills. Hey, what? Oh, excellent! I want to be rank 162. I have to play every day, and I don't play every day. So I'm only ranked 20. Oh, we lost. I knew it. Okay, wait. Let me go to my editing. This is a nice knife though. Balora, melee, hunting knife, skin, slot one, neon. Very rare. Oh, okay, great. It's very rare. Warehouse, bazaar, King of the Hill. I love King of the Hill, and also this is my best. What best? What? Oh, this is one of my best maps. Attachments, optics. I'm gonna use PM2. No, half ring. I'm gonna use half ring for this. Red Goyle. Okay, great. It's good. I really like half ring, but I need 10 more kills for. There will be a lot of people. Go there. Great. I need kills. Where are people? Oh, why? Yes, assist. Oh, plus 46. I need a good rating green. Oh, MP5. Okay. I'm gonna use Remington. Wait, no. Shotgun. Okay, now I'm. When I'm close, I'm dominant. I really is kind of weird. Okay, let's. Oh wow, I'm in the car. Oh, I got in the car. That's a good. That's a big glitch. I'm not voting anyone. I don't care about votes. Okay, I get free plus. I just camp here like forever.